step back so I can get a shot of this.
I don't have any hose on.
We'll get you in some pantyhose. Okay. And just step back however far to get me in it.
Yeah. Oh, good.
And
I'm glad I can see.
Watch me catch the house on fire.
Is it filming?
It's already going.
Oh, okay. Oh.
And it's turned off, right? Because I don't want to die.
I don't know.
Does the bulb work?
Oh, yes.
Where's
It's
the switch
turned off.
for it?
It's turned off.
It's turned off?
Oh, but not in the garage.
That's okay. And it's off. I don't need my hair. Oh, look at the wasp nest in there.
Whoa. Whoa.
You never noticed them buzzing around your door?
Oh, yeah, all the time. I didn't realize that was there, though.
You don't want to get too close to me.
Why?
Because I'm pretty ugly.
Oh, you are not.
I got those 2 packs of light bulbs. You still have the other one?
Oh, yeah.
Get farther away from me.
All right. Your hair looks good today.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And if this doesn't work, I'm deleting the video. Yay! Let there be light.